What's up, guys? It's your boy Fayomi Favor, and today we'll be moving on from the beginner set of abs workout to the advanced. So our first workout on the beginners list is a Russian twist, and you do it by first sitting upright, locking your palms, crossing your legs and raising them. Then still with your palms locked, slowly tilt your torso from left to right in sync with the movement of your hand. Squeeze your core and don't tilt too far to avoid strain on your spine. The Russian twist targets the whole abs muscles and clears off back pain. And if you're having back pain issues, stick with me till the end of this video for a workout that will fix that. Do reverse crunches by lying straight with your knees bent, then squeeze your abs muscle and use that muscle to slowly bring your knee close to your belly and back out. Repeat this process for about 30 to 40 seconds. You'll be tempted to shift your buttocks off the ground. No, don't do that. To get the best result, bring your legs close to each other and don't use momentum to bring your knee close to your chest. Reverse crunches target the last two six-pack muscles that some abs workout find it hard to do. So yeah, there's beauty in simplicity. Perhaps the hardest abs workout for beginners. Leg raises employs that you raise your leg and you raise them straight, and that's the hard part. You know, at my first times of doing it, I always had this problem of blood flowing back as I raised my leg up, which always made me contract my leg. But as I kept on doing it, it became easier. Workout is actually easier when you do it every day, but the hard part is to do it every day. So you need to build that discipline and consistency to continue.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Plank is a multifaceted exercise in the workout industry. Do it correctly by first positioning yourself in a proper push-up form, then widen your shoulders and bend the hands directly under them. Keep your shoulders away from your ears to prevent stress on your hands rather than on your core. Remember to squeeze your core by drawing your belly towards your backbone and maintain that engagement throughout the exercise. You begin to feel the effect after 30 seconds, and as time passes by, you want to sag your hips due to fatigue. But no. You have that fighter spirit. Do not give up. Maintain that proper form. Also, do not raise your buttocks. Just don't. Because nobody wants to see that. So just keep it straight. And breathe naturally. Don't hold your breath, so you won't get tired and weak easily. So guys, we are at the intermediate section, and the first workout is a mixture of plank and mountain climbers. So we've explained plank, and if you need clarity on it, you can check the previous section of the video. So the procedure for mountain climbers is basically the same for plank, except that in that plank position, you are running at a spot. Also, keep your jaw away from your knees so you don't have to work out your jaw later. This is a custom-made workout by me, which has been really helpful in the areas of strength and cardio. I notice that after I do it, my heartbeat increases and blood pumps into different parts of my body. I also notice that my legs and ab muscles are always engaged, and my biceps and triceps pump. To do V-ups, lie down with your arms extended over your head and straighten your legs. Then lift your legs and arms simultaneously in a V shape such that your fingers touch your toes. Then lower your arms and legs back to their starting position. Repeat the process for the next 30 seconds or do 12 reps. To avoid injury, make sure you are doing it on a soft thick blanket. Do not do it on the bare floor or else you tear your buttocks. I'm pretty serious. This is something that's happened to me twice. V-ups targets the core, leg, upper back and shoulder muscles. So it's one of the workout that kills upper back pain.
That's right. 3, 2,
do bicycle crunches, lie down with your hands extended behind your head with your knees bent. Then lift your shoulders off the ground and bring your left elbow to your right knee and your right elbow to your left knee subsequently. Continue doing it in a pedaling motion like as if you're riding a bicycle, and as you bring your legs down, fully extend them. Don't pull your neck with your hands to avoid neck injury. I have tested this exercise. It's the best for curing back pain.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
I call this workout side plank with thumb rotation and leg raises. It's another custom workout I made, and I achieved it by multiplexing side plank with thumb rotation and side plank with leg raises. To do it, stand on a side plank position, meaning balancing your body weight with just an arm instead of two. And depending on which position you start first, lift up the leg that is liftable and break it down after 2 seconds. Repeat the process for the next 30 seconds. And after that, lift up your hand and swirl it around your belly like as if you are forming the letter C. Turn to the other side and repeat the whole process. Remember that the energy for this workout should come from your core, so squeeze your abs by drawing your belly to your spine. And also, remember to not sag your hips or allow your body to rotate forward. Also, keep your shoulders away from your ears and avoid using momentum to lift your legs or rotate your arms. Side plank mainly targets the deep abdominal muscles that help to tighten and shrink the waistline. Yo guys, we are the pro level, and this is another workout I made, and I call it the Fayomi bicycle crunches. So it's the mixture of bicycle crunches and V-ups, and the procedure is the same for bicycle crunches, except that you're using your core to lift your back off the floor. Just imagine doing bicycle crunches in a V-up format. Do not use momentum to push yourself up or throw yourself back to the ground, or you experience half the result. V-ups targets the back muscles, the legs, and abs.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The next on line is scissor kicks. No, flutter kicks. Actually, both are scissor kicks, except that one cut horizontally while the other cut vertically. And we are doing the vertical one because it engages our core more. To do it, sit upright with your hands on the ground and use your lower abs to alternate lifting your legs up and down in a scissor-like motion, like as if you are running mid-air. Never rest your back. Instead, use your lower abs to propel your legs up and down and to give you that balance you need. Continue for about a minute and do not bend your legs or use momentum to swing your legs. V crunches and Fayomi bicycle crunches are one of the hardest abs workouts due to intensity required in lifting your back off the floor to fold into that V-like position. Start in a sit-up position and engage your core by drawing your belly towards your spine to prevent lower back pain. Then lift your torso off the ground, keeping your back straight and core engaged. Then form a V shape by slowly lifting your arms, torso and legs off the ground, and after 2 seconds, slowly lowering them down. Do it 15 times or for about a minute. I've explained the procedures for plank and mountain climbers in previous sections of the video, so please refer to them for clarity. plank jacks. Position yourself in a plank position with all the procedures for plank in mind. Then jump your feet out to the sides and quickly return them to the starting position, mimicking a jack in the box motion while keeping your upper body stable and core engaged. Continue jumping your feet out and in for the next 30 to 60 seconds. Remember, you're a champion, so keep being you.